Hello friends. Today I'm going to tell you few methods to speed up your computer. It's all about deleting cache, deleting unnecessary files. Then your computer will speed up better than earlier. Alright, let's get started. Just go to start. You just have to find the run app. Here you type temp, T-E-M-P. Just give the access. So here in this folder you have lots of unnecessary files. You just have to select all and shift delete everything permanently. Some files you may not be able to delete, but that's fine. Skip it because this file is using some of your programs currently, so that doesn't matter. Leave it. All right. And second method is, again, you need to open the run app. You can click the Windows key and R key together. It will open, and here you type percentage mark and temp, again percentage mark. Click OK. Here is another location that temporary files stored. So again, select all by clicking the Control key and A key, and then Shift delete. Right, files been deleted now. Yeah, all right. Here you can skip. Right, some of the files you cannot delete, that doesn't matter. Right, completed. Then close it. And the third one is, again you press the Ctrl R. Third one is prefetch. Type P R E F E T C H. Continue to give the permission. Right, here the same procedure. Select all and then Shift delete. Don't worry, nothing will happen. It's clearing all your unnecessary files. Done. Close it. And again, go to Windows R. This is the fourth method. CLEANMGR. Clean Manager. Click OK. This is called disk cleanup. Default it has selected C partition. Click OK. Where your operating system is, make sure you select all unnecessary items. Here I do not want to delete everything in my recycle bin, so I will leave it. Others all selected. Click OK. Delete files. Right, all done. So now you will experience that your computer has speed up a little bit than earlier. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.